you guys are looking for a all-in-one kit for your hydraulic front end, better suspension, disc brakes for your Honda Ruckus, this is a complete kit. It just doesn't come with the front wheel. So it comes with the axle, really nice axle, and then of course the forks. These are lowered forks, and it's hydraulic suspension. Unlike the stock suspension, it's not hydraulic, so you'll get a much better ride. This stuff's all made by NCY, made in Taiwan, so good stuff. And then you'll get the 4-piston caliper. It's important to note that because some of them are 2-piston, so this is a really good caliper. And it's got, I've got it attached, but it's got the bracket so that you can easily attach your caliper. And then you've got your wave cut rotor, really nice NCY floating rotor with the hardware. All comes with it. Some of this stuff I've like kind of pieced together and make it look a little easier. Otherwise there's pieces everywhere. So this is the speedometer cable with the speedo drive that goes on your wheel. And your master cylinder for your front brake. And of course it comes with a brake sensor too. And all the wiring and a kill switch. Not only that, is braided brake line, braided steel brake line, which is really nice because basic rubber lines, they expand when you push the brakes. The braided stuff won't expand, resulting in better stopping power. And oh yeah, one other thing, the bleeder valves for the goes on the brake calipers and the master cylinder. All of this is included on the kit. You can check out our website at rollingwrenchdenver.com. Also, I'll post right below the video in the description the link to this kit. A really nice kit, all in one kit. You don't have to worry about, you know, spacers. There's actually spacers like right here that I've added. Everything comes in it. It's a really nice kit. So if you like the video, thumbs up. I appreciate it. See you in the next video.